segment. 100% cotton fabric of chudidar, where the three-piece concept, which is a material, is a running material every woman likes and demanded to wear on the stitching basis on different patterns and varieties. Hi all, I'm Rani Subramanian here from Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. Friends, I hope all are safe and doing great. Today also I brought for you the exclusive varieties from suit segment. If I talk about suit segment, today I'm going to show you the special demanded fabrics of cotton segment. 100% cotton fabric of chudidar, where the three-piece concept, which is a material, is a running material every woman likes and demanded to wear on the stitching basis on different patterns and varieties. So Kesaria Textile is giving you cotton varieties of multiple printed collections as well as designer varieties. In this video, I am going to show you the cotton varieties, and you can easily purchase at factory cost from Kesaria Textile, and especially cotton retailers. If you are into a cotton fabric retailers, this chudidar material you can buy from a Kesaria manufacturers. Such collections you can buy only from a manufacturer where you can directly deal with manufacturers. And why you have to deal? To buy at factory cost and varieties and the designs and the fabrics, what kind of collections depend on the market. The new collections are coming and trending collections always update your business. So I'm going to show you the samples, these collections which you can buy from cotton varieties. If I talk about 150-200 rupees, you can buy the cotton varieties. I can see first pattern. If I talk about the floral printed, the lavender color with the purple color combination, and such a beautiful printed variety of top and bottom, which is a leaf printed, the lavender color with the dark maroon color with the cream color, and which is a bottom will be a stripes pattern with the dark lavender, and the beautiful dupatta, which is a veil collection of the leaf. This collection you have a 4 color option. 1 color I've shown you. The remaining 3 colors are, these are the 3 colors, which is onion pink with maroon color combination, which is cream color with dark maroon color combination, which is a military green color with the dark mehndi color combination. These collections. If I talk about the next printed variety, which is demanded and trending, which is all women's favorite, is digital printed. In this digital printed, this is the code of the pattern, which is the Afrin is the code, which is the 7.5 meters of the material. You can see the totally, and which is a print you will find out here from top to bottom is really leaf printed with the highlight of the pink color, and you can see here the beautiful veil which you can see here. Such a pretty dupatta. See, this comes like this. These are nowadays for college girls, for working women. These such unique collections you have to buy and you can use it. And these are very classy. And if I talk about the color chart, half white or the cream color I can see, and which is an onion pink color I can see, and which is a grey color with a half white. So this is the second color chart. If I talk about some casual wear with the designer, if I talk about designer, beautiful color with the stripes pattern with two-tone shade of the white color, yellow with grey color combination. South specially, these are for the regular wears. You can see the only stone work and beautiful dupatta I can say with the white color with the two-tone shade. See, this is the dupatta. And in this you will find out the color combination, dark purple with Rama color, dark yellow color with the maroon color, and here dark pink with navy blue color. This is one of the pattern. If I talk about family occasions, functional wear, which is designer dress material, I have a beautiful dress material of dark yellow with red color, pure south pattern I can say here. This is the Pihu is the code, and with this thread work and the stone work, the bottom is plain yellow and with the crush fabric of the golden design. See, this is the pattern. So this is a veil, and in this you will find out colors. These colors are red with yellow, dark bottle green with red color, and dark grey with red color. So this is the Pihu code. If I talk about the next pattern varieties with kota patti work with the highlighted designer functional occasions, you can find out with the sequence work with the designer thread work, navy blue with the khadi cotton pattern, and here the highlighted with the gold stone work with the crush fabric of the dupatta. And this is a beautiful red with navy blue color combination. This is a sequence work. And here is a yellow with bottle green, green with yellow, and dark maroon with navy blue. It's only highlighted with the thread work. And these collections also looks very pretty, very designer, only based on the thread work. So beautiful red color with navy blue color combination, and this code is 8203. This is a beautiful red with almost semi-stitched with the stonework, beautiful batik print, chiffon lightweight dupatta. This is the concept, and in this you will find out the color chart, green with yellow, yellow with green, and cream with maroon color. Such exclusive collections, every pattern you will find out in the cotton, embroidering work with stone work, matte finishing with the throne work, and designer of the floral come sequence work, and with the brocade pattern of the cotton and digital printed of cotton. All collections you can buy at Kesaria Manufactures. So Kesaria is giving you many more varieties from the cotton segment. These collections are easily selling out through all pan-India world, while n number of collections are getting manufactured. So I can only say from cotton is the most demanded fabric for all season 365 days. If you want to invest on the cotton fabric segments, you can buy cotton sarees, you can buy cotton chudidar, you can directly tie up where COD options are there, you can do online payments, you can directly deal with Kesaria Manufacturers. So numbers are on the screen. To communicate, our sales executives online team, offline team is there. So take a WhatsApp and you can hi, hello, you can contact catalog, non-catalog, you can purchase, and you can do multiple varieties. You can start your business with many segments like kurti bottom, ready-made, boutique varieties, saris, party wear, designer boutique saris. So chudidar material, you have options. So I end up this video. Please subscribe the channel. Keep sharing with your friends, with relatives, with everyone. There's a bell icon. Just click it. Keep supporting. Next video I'll come up with more collections. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.